Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to clear value of cell in Excel worksheet. Drag and drop workbook open action from activities. Drag and drop cell value clear action from activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Set WorkbookPath property of workbook open action. Set cell property of cell value clear action. Set ClearContentsOnly property of cell value clear action. Set WorkbookName property of cell value clear action. Set WorksheetName property of cell value clear action. Click Run button from toolbar. You can see the task is executed successfully.